Hey everybody, Mark from the Geek Church here, and today we got a product from Matias with the Sculpted Ergonomic Rechargeable Keyboard for the PC. Long name, good product. Hey, do you not like your keyboards with the raised platform? Well, fortunately, this just magnetically and demagnetically comes off and on. Not bad. Yeah, ergonomics is kind of a weird thing for me, but I can get used to this, really. Just to let you know, you've got the option of a wireless or wired connection, and it comes with actually two wireless dongles, one for USB-C and one for USB-A. And other features include possible macros on this thing you can use, and oh yeah, it's got the 128 AES bit encryption going on there. Hey, you like it? I know I do. You can get it on the Matias site for about $99. This is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.